Hey guys, Nick Dabas here with Adorama TV. Today we're checking out something really awesome from Litepanels. We got Blackmagic and we have Pelican. So I have my Blackmagic, it's super portable, it takes lightweight batteries, and it also shoots 6K. It's got dual native ISO, which is really cool, helps you on the go, and allows you to have run and gun capabilities with either CFast or SD card recordings. Now for Litepanels, we have the Astra X6 kit. Now what this includes is 2 stands, it has 2 lights, gold mount batteries or V mounts, right? You get your D taps with the 3-pin connector, and what's really special about this, they paired it with a 90 Go battery. Now what's special about the 90 Go battery, it's affordable, it's lightweight, and it also packs a punch. Now what we have for a charger to charge these batteries is the GM2, or if you're a V-mount user, you can use VM2, which is really awesome. I didn't realize how light this was the 1535, just like its brother or sister, the 1510 with the TrekPak. I love the TrekPaks because you can customize into any configuration you would like, pretty much. So if you don't have time to order a custom case, and it allows you to cut and put these little grommets everywhere, and you're able to hold the entire case. So if you want to put lenses, cameras, batteries, chargers, whatever you like to customize, you can. And the weight savings is amazing. It's really easy to carry, and it's got wheels. So let's jump into the Litepanels Astras. Now these are pretty much the industry standard 1x1 panels. You could use them for interviews. I'm using a light right now as a key. I have it bounced into a whiteboard with some opal in front of that. So that creates a nice soft look. It's bicolor. There's also different models. So you could also do DMX as well. And they're just light. You know, if you're just planning on just throwing a couple cases in your car, either for interview shoot, my buddy Josh and I just went to his garage and we just shot some stuff using the Astra, blasting it through a window. And what I noticed was the light was powered by the battery for a pretty long time, which was pretty impressive considering it's a 90 watt-hour battery. And it's just about that thick. And it's really cool because they managed to pack a lot of punch in this battery, which was very impressive. We were shooting out, it wasn't really raining, it was drizzling, but it's good to see that these lights have durability and they're able to last. So now let's jump into the 6K. The reason why I just chose the 6K is because it comes with built-in NDs. You can use an EF mount. EF mount is great if you want to keep your cost low, keep the weight down. There's plenty of options. You can literally pack a 6K Pro lens, batteries, your AC power battery, battery chargers, and all your cable accessories in this one case. And look how small this is. And it's got a tilt out screen. It's got full-size HDMI, and it also has speakers built in. NDs is a huge plus for me. I really love using cameras with NDs now. Just one less thing to carry around. We decided to use an 18-35. It's a great lens. It really covers a good range. It's, you know, not too sharp. You could throw a little filtration on the front of that, and it always goes in the bag. So this is the GM2, just so you guys get a comparison of what this looks like. And these are the 90 Go batteries. So you just clip them right in. And I love gold mount personally because it just has like a nice tight fit. Now this charger is great because you also get a 4-pin out, so you can power 12 volt cameras, and it's never let me down. It's a great alternative to a lightweight charger. What's great about this case is it's extremely light. So it comes with these locking latches, weatherproofed. It's got great foam. And it's also got the TrekPak insert, which is really, really cool. I tend to always buy the TrekPak version. So pretty much with this kit that we have, between the camera, the lights, so if you're traveling light or you're just traveling around the city, you could do that. And what I did was, you're able to put the 1535 on top of the Litepanels storm case that they give you, and you're able to kind of carry both of them all together. Hope you guys enjoyed this run and gun video. My name is Nick Dabas. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to Adorama TV channel. I'll catch you next time. Peace, guys.